Danger. Critical output levels detected on Fusion Laser 1. Attempting shutdown. Shutdown failure. Fusion Laser 1 output continuing to rise. Warning. Critical output levels detected on all fusion lasers. Attempting to cut power from fusion laser array. Success. Fusion laser. Attention all GRF research facility personnel. The amethyst enrichment reactor has entered an unstable state. All non-essential employees are to evacuate to designated evacuation zones immediately. Attempting to determine time until amethyst vaporization. Please wait. Attention all amethyst control personnel. The reactor preservation protocol is now active. Please calibrate all magnetic field generators within the reactor chamber before attempting to engage the system. This preservation protocol has now expired. Attention! Amethyst plasma shield failing. Chamber plasma concentration rising rapidly. Proceed with caution. Sending distress signal to the following districts. The government of the Kingdom of Sweden, the government of Finland, the Estonian government, the government of the Kingdom of Norway, the US government, the Canadian government, the HM government, and the Icelandic government. All countries surrounding Norway have been notified to evacuate or brace for impact. A full code red emergency has been initiated. All facility operations have been halted. All central operations have been halted. All database operations have been halted. All Qantas mainframe operations have been halted and have been redirected to emergency services and disaster prevention. Evacuate Sector D and C and head to the nearest blast shelter immediately. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. Current data suggests that the amethyst enrichment reactor will detonate in T-12 minutes. Due to monitoring system instability, this calculation may be inaccurate. Systems are ready for activation. Please activate all facility overrides and enter the master authorization code via the shutdown panel. amethyst enrichment reactor power grid too low for facility operations. Activate the emergency generators in Sector D. Attention! The option to shut down the amethyst enrichment reactor will expire in T-1 minute. Warning! Energy filter efficiency levels too low for facility operations. Please activate the emergency generators immediately. Attention! The option to shut down the amethyst enrichment reactor will expire in T-30 seconds. The option to shut down the amethyst enrichment reactor has now expired. Attention all remaining facility personnel. Amethyst enrichment reactor safeguards have now been deemed ineffective due to multiple module failures. A total facility evacuation is now in effect. Abandon all operations immediately. Preparing systems for protocols and define. Danger. Anomalous gravitational forces detected inside reactor chamber. Multiple reactor system failures detected. Chamber meltdown now active. Critical system failure. Reactor monitoring system unresponsive. Facility integrity deterioration detected. Facility flight containment systems will engage in T-1 minute. Remaining personnel are to evacuate. Reactor chamber integrity critical. Blast containment systems now active. Danger. Space-time anomaly formation detected. Rapid chamber depressurization detected. Amethyst control room breach detected. Warning, total system failure.